flowers. Kind of late in the year to be doing this, but better late than never. I like those, Lisianthus. The asters were doing well. And those dianthus are doing well. And those weird kind of salvia did good. And daisy-like things. And the old standby salvia, those did really good. Dahlias. Petunias. I don't know what those called. Those were cool. And those things were unmarked at Bell's and they did not do good. These were wildflowers. These were some type of a Nicorette or something. It's supposed to be deer resistant. Dusty Millers. And then I think these are some kind of a bee balm. These did good. And those little ball things really took off. Those were kind of scrawny and yucky at first, but those really did good. More wildflowers. More petunias. And then those are my phlox, asters, sunflowers, and moonflowers. Gonna hopefully finish the edging along the top part for the annuals and do some more on the mulch. Like I said, it's kind of late in the year for this stuff, but everything did really well this year. Those might bloom yet. Those usually bloom pretty late. And mums are doing good. And the beard's tongue.